Welcome to how to make a new Facebook account. So in this video we are going to show you how to make a new Facebook account, but before start of this video I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all you will go to this website facebook.com, then tap on get started, then add your first name and surname, then basically add your date of birth. So I will basically choose a random date of birth. Okay, so like this one, then tap on next here, and then basically select if you are male or female. I will select male, then tap on next here, and then you can basically if you want you can sign up with your number, and if you have an email address, tap on sign up with email address. Then you will add your email address here, then Facebook will send a verification code to your email address, then you need to put that email code here, and then you will add your password, and that's it. You have now your new Facebook account. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.